Hi guys, just going to go through this last question. If you found it hard, then don't worry. This is a very difficult question that requires lots and lots of working. So I'm going to try my best to explain it to you. So basically, they need to build these towers up to the same height. So we're looking for them to both, but when you count up in these 3 and 1/6 or 2.5, looking for a number you could get to using both of those. Okay. So say these towers were, one was 3 and one was 5, then you could count up to 15 or 30 or 45, for example, like a common multiple. But we've got these horrible fractions here. So you notice here, it's already a half. So these towers are only ever going to be, these imaginary tower is only ever going to be something in a multiple of 2.5. Okay, so, but also a multiple of 3 and 6. So if I write out my 2.5, like so, that's the basic pattern for 10, and then it just repeats itself with a 10 on the front. So 2.5 becomes 12.5, etc. Which makes it easier, I say that as a mistake, to do. I'm just going to write a few out. You might need to get a few more. But which that's it. Right, I'm going to just leave those there for now. So this is where it gets a little bit trickier. You have 3 and 6. Now, if we know that this tower's got to be in 2.5, that means that these 6 have got to either equal 3/6 or 6/6 each time, or 9/6, 12/6, etc. So the first time that that's going to get to something and 3/6 means I've times it by 3. So it's 9 and 3/6. Now, the next whole, if I went again in 9 and 3/6, I'd get to, added another one on, for example, and get to 19. But can you see over here that the whole number answers 5, 10, 15, 20? They don't, 19 is not going to fit into those for a very long time. So what we're really looking at is going up in 9 and 3/6 until we get to something over here. So 9 and 3/6 would be 3 lots. Okay. So every other jump, this would have 19 is going to be 6 lots. I can add another one, 28, and 3, 7, and then 38. And then another 9, 47, and 36, or 47.5. So I'm just going to check down here, we keep going here, so I got to 30, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 lots. I'm just going to carry my workings on a little bit. So 2.5, 7.5. And you can see I've had 17.5, I've had 27.5, I've had 37.5, so it will eventually get there because this is essentially just a half. Go. This was a reference. 2.5, 5, 47, and a half. Right. Oh, so 14 lots, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 lots. So that means that there were 15 grey ones and 19 big ones. That was very tricky. Well done if you got that.